Lithium-ion batteries, used in every mobile phone, laptop, tablet, power bank, and similar personal electronics, are now the source of nearly 5,000 fires every year. Law enforcement entities like the FBI to local police departments routinely charge essential equipment: radios, body cameras, flashlights, officers' phones, and tablets. They all rely on lithium-ion batteries. Forensics labs also receive and store digital devices tied to investigations, often in questionable condition, yet still require 24/7 charging. A lithium-ion battery fire in any law enforcement facility, whether a precinct or forensic lab, poses serious risks to both personnel safety and the integrity of critical evidence. Many people have heard of thermal runaway. That's when one cell ignites and then burns hot enough to ignite other in a chain reaction, resulting in explosion. However, there's an even more challenging aspect to lithium-ion battery fires, which is something called stranded energy. That's when a battery fire may appear to be extinguished, but there is still some energy left that will reignite. It can happen an hour later, a day, a week, even months later. Because these fires generate their own oxygen, traditional fire extinguishers are ineffective. Even a small fire can keep a lab inoperable for several days, as the fumes and toxic byproducts require specialized cleanup procedures. The Lithium FireGuard PG-100 is the only product on the market that can eliminate this threat. More than 2,000 agencies in all 50 states and the District of Columbia now use mobile device forensic tools to extract data. Keeping devices plugged in 24/7 while an extraction technology is running increases the risk of overheating and fire. When you're faced with a device that's breaking down but hasn't yet exploded, when it's still in the phase of bulging and smoking, it's imperative that the device is removed from the building as quickly and as safely as possible. At temperatures of 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit, each lithium-ion battery cell can release 6 liters of toxic fumes. And uncontained, an explosion will eject bits of metal and entire batteries from the device at 300 meters per second. As a frame of reference, a 9mm bullet leaves a gun at 360 meters per second. So how can you contain the device safely in order to get it out of the building? You can use the Lithium FireGuard PG-100. There are burn bags on the market, but they don't interrupt thermal runaway, and they don't contain the toxic fumes or an explosion. There's only one product that does all three, and it's certified under the Underwriters Laboratories Standard UL 5800, the Lithium FireGuard PG-100. The risk to evidence and personnel is just too great to leave containment to chance. Protect, collect, contain.